Taking care of plants and trees in your garden or farm is a very difficult task. But now I don't have to, because Turning Point Chipku's Neem oil has made my job easier. It is cold pressed 100% natural oil. While using it, mix 3 to 5 ml in 1 liter of warm water. As it is a concentrated oil, it should not be used directly on plants. It should be used in morning or evening. If you have delicate plants, mix 3 ml in 1 liter of warm water and take 5 ml for strong plants. Ready spray can be sprayed from the bottom of the leaves upwards. It will destroy insect eggs and colonies. Remaining ready spray can also be applied to the roots of the plant. It protects against fungus, nematodes, and soil harmful insects. Neem oil protects plants from rust, leaf spoil, downy mildew, powdery mildew diseases, and insects like worms, whitefly, mites, and aphids. Neem oil is safe for friendly insects like bees and earthworms.
Turning Point Chipku's Neem oil, 100% natural cold pressed oil.